committed to providing innovative and sustainable packaging solutions that protect your product and safeguard our planet. Join us as we explore the eco-friendly options available at Haplast.
Haplast, a leading provider of packaging solutions, has made it our mission to offer a range of environmentally friendly options to our customers. Let's take a closer look at some of the eco-friendly packaging bags available at Haplast. Self-degradable roll bags are made from materials that break down naturally, reducing the environmental impact. Our biodegradable zipper bags are designed to decompose safely, ensuring a greener future. Haplast's line of tableware products is crafted from sugarcane waste, a renewable and sustainable resource. These plant-based alternatives to traditional plastic provide an eco-friendly option for your events and gatherings. Haplast products are certified by recognized environmental organizations, such as the Green Label, ensuring they meet the highest standards for sustainability. We are committed to continuous improvement, seeking new ways to reduce our carbon footprint and offering even more eco-friendly packaging solutions. We recognize that every business has unique packaging needs. That's why we offer the flexibility to customize our eco-friendly bags and tableware to your specifications.
Our commitment to sustainability is matched by our dedication to providing affordable pricing, ensure that going green is accessible for all business of all sizes. Contact us today to learn more about sustainable offerings and how we can help you make a positive impact.